Hey everybody, what's up? Kevin Cook here, and I'm in Shanghai, China. I get this question a lot. How do I make money to travel and live abroad? So I've made this video today to answer that question. Here's how I started out. In summer 2016, I finally took the plunge and began life as a digital nomad full-time. And I started producing YouTube videos every single week. It was really a fun time, but it was very exhausting. While I really enjoy doing YouTube videos and I enjoy traveling, I realized that the travel aspect of producing the travel blog was taking a back seat to the content production side of it. Really, I was focusing more on the business aspect and thinking, what kind of content can I produce more so than just enjoying the moment of traveling. I'd realized that maybe this digital nomad lifestyle wasn't for me. So I went back to Shanghai and started canvassing for work in marketing, putting my YouTube and Facebook stats at the top of my resume. Now I work for an agency that specializes in helping Chinese brands to market overseas via platforms that I was familiar with, like YouTube and Facebook. Also, one of the biggest perks for working for a digital marketing agency, I get a work visa. Having a work visa allows me to not only travel freely in and out of the country without any hassle, but I can also feel comfortable knowing that I'm not going to be deported for having a real job here. Number two is the freelance projects that I do. In addition to leveraging the social media platforms I built to find a job here in Shanghai, I also leverage that to find a lot of freelance projects to work. Various apps and publications will reach out to me now and offer these freelance jobs, whether it's hosting or writing, and that definitely amounts to a significant portion of my income today. Next, there's affiliate partnerships where I can make a commission on particular products or services that I recommend to you, and I'm sure that you've seen plenty of this kind of stuff on YouTube and other blogs. For example, use the promo code MONKEY and you can get a discount when you sign up for this product or service. You'll get a discount, so there's incentive for you, and also I will get a commission on that sale. Next, there's YouTube AdSense revenue. I don't do YouTube full-time and I don't generate enough money from my AdSense to live independently off of this, but it is plenty to cover my apartment and living expenses, which is more than I can ask for considering that really YouTube is something that I do for fun. I really enjoy making these videos and I have a lot of fun doing it, and I don't ever want my YouTube channel to turn into one of those things that it feels like a job where I'm churning out content just for the sake of the AdSense revenue, pumping out these videos that are 10 minutes and 3 seconds long just for that extra advertising slot. Which reminds me, here's a little secret for those of you who aren't familiar with the YouTube AdSense landscape. When you see a video that is less than 10 minutes long, it can only receive one advertising slot for AdSense. But there's incentive to produce videos that are longer than 10 minutes because you can get a second advertising slot. So, for example, when you see a video or when you see a YouTube producer publishing a stream of videos that are averaging about 10 minutes and 2 seconds or 10 minutes and 4 seconds long, that's usually because, in my opinion, they're stretching their content to fit that just over 10-minute mark so that they can get a second advertising slot and thus make twice as much money. So next time your favorite YouTuber is churning out that content that's 10 minutes, 3 seconds long, take a look at the content and see if there's any filler. That 100% all beef patty might not be being made with 100% beef. I can't be a travel blogging, YouTubing digital nomad forever, and neither can you. I think it's best to diversify your income and experience so that you can adapt to whatever comes, because frankly, YouTube is not always going to be here. Anyways, that's how I make my money to travel and live abroad. Give this video a thumbs up, it really helps me out a lot. If you enjoy watching my videos, please help me out, support me on Patreon. Seeing those Patreon donations really helps me stay motivated in creating new content, so thank you so much to my Patreon supporters. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.